I have spent a good amount of time digging into Zendrop and AutoDS, testing both platforms, comparing how they handle product sourcing, automation, and overall ease of use. This is not a sponsored video, just my honest take after really using both, so if you're trying to pick one, hopefully this clears things up. So first is Zendrop. This is super beginner friendly. Its whole thing is simplicity and faster US shipping. You get clean product pages, decent private labeling options, and their Zendrop Select, which gives access to vetted higher quality suppliers, and automation is also solid here, but not super advanced. Great if you'd want a fast, no fuss setup. And AutoDS, on the other hand, is more feature packed. It supports more suppliers, which is from AliExpress, Amazon, Temu, Walmart, and more. Plus, bulking importing, advanced automation rules, and product research tools built in. But the interface is busier, and the learning curve is quite steeper, not as plug and play as Zendrop. But pricing wise, Zendrop is definitely more predictable. AutoDS can get pricey depending on how many stores and product you manage, but AutoDS gives more power if you need it. So just a quick verdict is that if you are new to dropshipping or just want a smoother experience, then Zendrop is basically the safer start. But if you are scaling up or want more flexibility and automation control, AutoDS gives you way more backend power. So that's it for this comparison video between Zendrop and AutoDS. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.